I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After higher fire weather concerns from wind gusts to 35 to 45 today, higher humidity and lower south winds gusting to 30 tomorrow decrease the fire weather concerns. There are low-end thunderstorm chances tomorrow night through early Saturday morning as the cold front moves to the east. Severe weather not expected, and any rain amounts look to be on the light side. With that cold front's passage, highs from today in the mid-80s to the low 90s, dropping slightly and remaining in the 80s for tomorrow through Wednesday. A few late day and evening thunderstorms are possible in western areas on Sunday. Additional thunderstorms are possible for Monday night through Wednesday when more low pressure moves onto the plains. Higher chances are Tuesday night through Wednesday with the cold front. The latest long-term forecast indicates Nebraska and Kansas temperatures staying warmer than normal Tuesday through September 25th, especially the middle to late part of next week. Above normal rainfall is predicted Tuesday through September 25th for both Nebraska and Kansas. In the latest regional drought monitor, Nebraska dropped 9 percentage points to 23% drought-free. Drought-free areas are along and just north of I-80 from central Nebraska back to the southern panhandle and the far southwest. Most other areas from the west central to the east are abnormally dry. Coverage of moderate to severe drought increased a percentage point to 28% in Nebraska and includes areas southeast of Hastings and from Cherry County to the northwest panhandle. Kansas decreased a percentage point to only 5% drought-free. Much of southwest Kansas in the northeastern two-thirds is drought-free to abnormally dry. Moderate to severe drought continues in central, far northwest, and far southeast Kansas. Key weather factors affecting the markets include gusty winds and heavy rain for the southern delta and southeast, spotty rain with warmer than normal temperatures across the Corn Belt, and dry weather concerns continuing across central Brazil and Argentina. The remnants of Francine drift northward with storm dissipation likely to occur over the northern Mississippi Delta by tomorrow. Additional rainfall from the southeastern U.S. to the lower Ohio Valley should mostly total 3 to 6 inches. In hard-hit areas of southern Louisiana, quieter weather in Francine's wake should allow producers to access fields and make damage assessments. A cold front affecting northern sections of the Rockies and Plains weakens, but is trailed by another disturbance moving into the western U.S. this weekend. That second disturbance increasing the rain chances across the central U.S. by the middle of next week. In the meantime, mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days across the central and southern plains and from the Great Lakes into the northeast. Northern areas of the Midwest likely to stay drier, which is not good for immature corn and soybeans that could use additional rain. Spotty rain is possible next week in the Midwest, but some areas may remain mostly dry. Central and northern Brazil continue to be dry, impacting the developing winter wheat and delaying the corn planting. The delay of wet season rain in central Brazil may also jeopardize the second crop corn. Only southern Brazil areas of Parana and Rio Grande do Sul are seeing rains that improve the soil moisture for any immature wheat or corn and soybean planting. For Argentina, midweek rain was spotty, and most of the country continues to be dry, impacting the developing winter wheat and delaying the corn planting. Towards the second half of this week and into next week, above normal temperatures return to Argentina, drawing more moisture out of the soils. Widespread rain may not arrive in Argentina until the middle to end of next week, and coverage currently is uncertain. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.